Having done Sage Intacct implementations for now hundreds of customers over the last 5 years, one of the things that's really comes to the fore is how our different businesses and different verticals are starting to really optimize the use of the dimensional reporting and the dashboards and the statistical accounts that come standard with Sage Intacct. And one of the things that really differentiates some of the best businesses using Intacct and getting ahead of the competitors is how they bring the operational data into the statistical accounts. So I'll take, for example, we've got a large retail chain. One of the dashboards they created was around the hospitality industry. They decided they wanted to know profitability per square meterage of each of their restaurants. Now, in a traditional ERP, that is not something that's going to be available. You're going to be able to say profitability. You might be able to even say profitability per restaurant, and you might be able to even say per region. However, to actually go down to the detail of how large that space is and bring that information and then do a comparative makes a massive difference in terms of understanding the profitability and how much they're actually paying for rent and the square meterage they're actually going up from the expense account. The other thing is they then correlated it to the headcount that was actually being deployed in each of those restaurants. So obviously, if it's a bigger square meterage, you need more headcount, or if it's a very busy location, you might need more headcount. That then comes with an increased cost. So they then tried to optimize the scheduling and the people that were available, or invest in training and having different people move around. This visibility is not possible in most ERPs or financial systems. Taking that into the logistics space, where people want to now use the operational data related to it, which is highly complex, the amount of routes, how many trucks are there, whether those trucks have been on a maintenance schedule, if they're due for maintenance, do you want to measure your driver fatigue, where in the regions are they? Are they outside of the country? Are they inside the country? Can we do another delivery on the way back? Those complexities which are within the operational system, but might make a massive difference from a financial performance perspective, are the data that's getting brought into the financial systems in systems like Sage Intacct. So taking, for example, number of kilometers traveled as a odometer, that can be brought into Sage Intacct. That then gives the wear and tear of these vehicles. You can bring into the system and relate it to the fixed asset module around when the depreciation, what is the value of that the vehicle that you're using at the moment? How many more trips can it do? From the trip perspective, how many trips has this done? What is our most profitable trip? What regions or what customer or supplier are the ones that we should be targeting, because effectively those are the ones that are the most profitable. This is the sort of information you can bring back into the operational system, combine it with the financial system information, and get a much better view of where you should be going as a business and what you should be investing in.